Are you planning a landscaping project or tackling a construction job that requires compacting soil, gravel, or asphalt? Do you find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of plate compactors on the market? Fear not. In this video, we're diving into the world of plate compactors to help you find the best one for your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, choosing the right plate compactor can make all the difference in your project's success. Join us as we count down the top 7 plate compactors, highlighting their features, uses, and what makes them stand out. 7. Stark USA Plate Compactor. The Stark USA Plate Compactor is a reliable choice for those on a budget. This machine is designed for efficiency and ease of use, making it ideal for small to medium-sized projects. With its powerful 6.5 HP engine, it delivers sufficient force to compact soil and gravel effectively. One of the standout features of the Stark USA Plate Compactor is its compact design. This makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, which is particularly useful for residential projects where space may be limited. Additionally, its foldable handle allows for convenient storage and transport. Users appreciate its sturdy construction, which ensures durability even with frequent use. The compactor's base plate is made from high-quality steel, providing excellent resistance to wear and tear. This durability is crucial for maintaining consistent performance over time. Despite its lower price point, the Stark USA Plate Compactor does not compromise on safety features. It includes an emergency shut-off switch, which provides peace of mind during operation. This feature is essential for preventing accidents and ensuring user safety. Overall, this compactor is best suited for homeowners and small contractors looking for an affordable yet effective solution for their compaction needs. Its ease of use and reliability make it a great entry-level option. Next up is the Evolution Hulk Electric Compactor Plate, a fantastic choice for those who prefer an electric option over gas-powered machines. This compactor is perfect for indoor projects or areas with strict noise regulations due to its quieter operation. The Evolution Hulk stands out with its eco-friendly design. By eliminating emissions associated with gas engines, it offers a cleaner alternative without sacrificing performance. This makes it particularly appealing for environmentally conscious users. In terms of functionality, the Hulk Electric Compactor boasts a robust motor that delivers consistent power for effective compaction. Its lightweight design enhances maneuverability, allowing users to navigate around obstacles with ease. Another key feature is its low maintenance requirements. Without the need for fuel changes or engine tune-ups, users can focus more on their projects and less on upkeep. This convenience can save both time and money in the long run. The Evolution Hulk Electric Compactor Plate is ideal for light-duty tasks such as paving patios or walkways. Its combination of eco-friendliness and efficiency makes it a valuable tool in any homeowner's arsenal. 5. BILT Hard Plate Compactor. The BILT Hard Plate Compactor offers a balance between power and affordability, making it an attractive option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with a 6.5 HP engine, this compactor provides ample force to tackle various compaction tasks effectively. One of its notable features is the large base plate that ensures even distribution of force across surfaces. This results in uniform compaction, which is crucial for achieving stable foundations in construction projects. Durability is another strong suit of the BILT Hard Plate Compactor. Its heavy-duty steel frame withstands rigorous use, while the vibration-reducing handles enhance user comfort during prolonged operation. These features contribute to its reputation as a reliable workhorse on job sites. The machine's user-friendly design includes easy access controls that simplify operation even for beginners. Additionally, its foldable handle facilitates convenient storage when not in use, a practical feature for those with limited space. Overall, the BILT Hard Plate Compactor excels in versatility and performance at an affordable price point. It's well suited for a range of applications from landscaping to roadwork preparation. 4. SuperHandy Plate Compactor. The SuperHandy Plate Compactor lives up to its name by offering superior performance and convenience in one package. Powered by a robust engine delivering high-impact force, it efficiently compacts soil and aggregates across various terrains. A standout feature of this model is its advanced shock absorption system designed to minimize vibrations transmitted to operators' hands, a crucial aspect when working on extensive projects requiring prolonged use. In addition to comfort-enhancing features like ergonomic handles with padded grips, this model also boasts excellent maneuverability thanks largely due its compact size combined with powerful output capabilities, making navigating tight spaces effortless even under challenging conditions such as uneven terrain or restricted access areas where larger machines might struggle significantly more than expected otherwise. Furthermore, maintenance considerations have been thoughtfully addressed through accessible components allowing quick servicing when needed without unnecessary downtime impacting productivity negatively overall, a testament towards thoughtful engineering behind every aspect involved here indeed. With these attributes combined together seamlessly into one cohesive unit, SuperHandy proves itself worthy contender among top-tier choices available today regardless whether tackling residential commercial endeavors alike, consistently delivering exceptional results time after time again. 3. XtremepowerUS Gas Plate Compactor. The XtremepowerUS Gas Plate Compactor is a robust and reliable tool, perfect for those who need a powerful machine for heavy-duty compaction tasks. This compactor is equipped with a 6.5 HP four-stroke gasoline engine, which provides an impressive 4,000 pounds of impact force. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from compacting soil and gravel to preparing foundations for paving. One of the key features of the XtremepowerUS Gas Plate Compactor is its ease of use. The machine is designed to start effortlessly, which is a significant advantage when working on large projects that require frequent stops and starts. Additionally, its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for working in confined spaces where larger machines might struggle. Durability is another strong point of this compactor. It features a sturdy steel frame that can withstand the rigors of frequent use in tough environments. The base plate is designed to provide even distribution of force, ensuring consistent compaction across different surfaces. This durability ensures that the compactor can handle demanding tasks without compromising on performance. The XtremepowerUS compactor also includes a water tank, which is particularly useful for asphalt work as it helps reduce dust and improve the surface finish. This feature enhances the machine's versatility, making it suitable for both dry and wet compaction tasks. Overall, the XtremepowerUS Gas Plate Compactor is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and powerful tool for various compaction projects. Its combination of power, durability, and user-friendly design makes it a valuable addition to any construction or landscaping toolkit. 2. Tomahawk Plate Compactor. Nearing top spot, our countdown Tomahawk Plate Compactor stands testament engineering excellence combined innovative technology resulting unparalleled performance unmatched competitors within same category class altogether undeniably factually speaking truthfully honestly without reservation whatsoever truly indeed. Equipped state-of-the-art Honda GX160 engine, renowned reliability, efficiency, industry-wide recognition earned over years, consistently delivering exceptional results time after time again regardless application involved whether residential, commercial, industrial scale operations alike, no exception whatsoever truly indeed. Furthermore, unique design incorporates advanced features such automatic low-oil shutdown preventing damage ensuring longevity lifespan extended significantly compared traditional models lacking similar safeguards altogether unfortunately still prevalent market today unfortunately enough sadly speaking truthfully here honestly without reservation whatsoever truly indeed. Additionally, versatility hallmark attribute defining characteristic distinguishing factor setting apart rest competition clearly evident every aspect considered thoroughly analyzed comprehensively beforehand prior making final decision purchase ultimately leading satisfactory outcome desired end result achieved successfully conclusively finally ultimately reaching desired goal set forth initial. 1. Wacker Neuson WP1550AW Plate Compactor. The Wacker Neuson WP1550AW Plate Compactor stands out as one of the top choices in the market due to its exceptional build quality and performance. Powered by a Honda GX160 engine, this compactor delivers reliable power output necessary for optimal results across various applications, including compacting asphalt, interlocking paving stones, and mixed soils. One of the most notable features of the WP1550AW is its patented computer-designed base plate with tapered edges. This design allows for high speed and excellent maneuverability, making it easy to operate even in confined spaces. The The tapered edges are particularly beneficial when compacting asphalt, as they minimize track marks during turns. The Wacker Neuson WP1550AW is engineered with user comfort in mind. It features a center-mounted control handle that allows for effortless turning and maneuvering, enhancing both comfort and efficiency during operation. Additionally, its low-maintenance design reduces wear and extends the machine's service life, making it a cost-effective choice over time. This compactor also includes a water tank, which is essential for reducing dust during operation and achieving a smoother finish on asphalt surfaces. The water tank adds to the machine's versatility, allowing it to tackle both dry and wet compaction tasks effectively. There you have it, folks, our top 7 best plate compactors. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.